Good morning, Nana. Today we will be discussing rules to editing. Okay, these rules of editing is also useful for 6th to 10th classes because in exam we will be getting this from 6th class onwards. Okay, Nana. So our topic is rules to edit. Okay, rules to edit a para. Rules to edit a para. So generally whenever we have been doing editing, okay, we have to check something. Yesterday already we have discussed like what we have to see. First one is preposition. We have to check preposition. We have to check conjunction. We have to check verb or tenses. And also this all we have drawn like this yesterday and we have checked it. And also articles. Now today in brief we will be learning what is that. Okay, Nana. So let us start with rule number 1. First rule, Nana. First rule. So what is that? Is first rule is first we are going to check for conjunction. Okay, first one is conjunction. So before we start this, let us see this conjunction. Junction means like a certain point where you can take for the normal things. But here when it comes to the subject, junction, sentences, connecting two or more sentences. So in order to connect sentences, we will be using and, but, as of, like that we will be using. So today, mostly in the exam, what they do is, they give for the word and. Okay, they just check this and word. And comes under conjunction. So, see here, what is that is? The word, okay Nana? The word before and after and should be in same, okay, same verb form. V means verb, Nana, is right, full form. Should be in same verb form. Okay, that means suppose if we are taking V1, okay, before, this is called before and end అన్న word ki before మనం V1 form తీసుకుంటే after and also we have to take V1. Nana, V1 is the present tense, Nana. V1 form ante it is present tense. Now suppose if we are taking V2, okay, V2 before and కంటే ముందు V2 తీసుకుంటే V2 is the past tense, then what we have to do is we have to take V2 after and also before. ఒకవేళ and కు ముందు V2 వర్బ్ ఉంటే and తర్వాత కూడా V2 వర్బే ఉండాలి. V2 ఫామ్ అంటే ఏంటి అంటే it is past form. Okay, past form. Similarly, if we are taking V3 form before and కంటే ముందు V3 form తీసుకుంటే we have to take V3 form after and also. So this is past participle. Okay, past participle. Okay, V3 form ante enti nana? Past participle. Next see, if we are using a V4 form before and కంటే before V4 form ఉంటే and after కూడా V4 form ఏ ఉండాలి. So V4 form is continuous, present, continuous. Okay, our action has been already started and it's still going on. So that is present continuous. Simply, మన present continuous అంటే doubt వచ్చింది అనుకోండి. Simple way to remember is adding ing to the word. Ing to the word. ఇప్పుడు like sing is there. Okay, she started to sing. Already అది జరిగిపోయింది past tense లో. She is singing. It is continuous. She has started before. Present also that action has been having and also it is been still continuing. So that is adding of in form. Finally, last we have to check V5 Nana. If before and if we are taking and. Okay, and kante before if we are taking V5, after and also we should use V5 only. Nana V5 verb form means adding E or ES to the word. వచ్చిన అక్షరానికి E గాని ES గాని యాడ్ చేస్తారు చూడండి. Eat, eats. Okay, sing, sings. Dance, dances. So ala V5. So our first rule is, this is rule number 1, that is we have to check the conjunction. What we have to do? We have to check the conjunction. That too in conjunction we should check for end. The words that come before end and that come after end should be in both same tense only. End ku mundu వచ్చేవాడు ఎండ్ కు తర్వాత వచ్చేవాడు రెండు కూడా సేమ్ టెన్సెస్ లోనే ఉండాలి. అంటే ఫస్ట్ ప్రెజెంట్ టెన్స్ లో వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, ఎండ్ కంటే ముందు ప్రెజెంట్ టెన్స్ లో వస్తే ఎండ్ తర్వాత కూడా ప్రెజెంట్ టెన్స్ లోనే రావాలి. ఒకవేళ పాస్ట్ టెన్స్ లో వస్తే పాస్ట్ టెన్స్, పాస్ట్ పార్టిసిపుల్ లో వస్తే పాస్ట్, ప్రెజెంట్ కంటిన్యూస్ లో వచ్చింది అనుకోండి తర్వాత కూడా ప్రెజెంట్ కంటిన్యూస్ లోనే ఉండాలి. లేకపోతే V5 ఫామ్ ఉంటే V5. నన్ను పాస్ట్ పార్టిసిపుల్ అంటే ఒక్కసారి చూడండి అలా. మనం డ్రింక్కి మనం ఏం చేస్తాం? డ్రింక్, డ్రాంక్, డ్రంక్. DRUNK, drunk, sung. Okay, these comes under past participles. Generally past participle we will be using when we are writing a sentence in passive voice. ఈ V3 ఫామ్ లో సెంటెన్స్ ఎప్పుడు యూజ్ చేస్తామంటే ఎప్పుడైతే మనం సెంటెన్స్ అన్నది పాసివ్ లో రాస్తున్నామో, when we are writing some sentence in passive voice, then generally we will be using V3 form. See, what is passive voice is, it is used to be written, but for general we won't use that sentences. While we are speaking we will not use that sentences. Is it clear, Nana? So this is rule number 1. Okay, next we will be going to rule number 2. Second rule. Second rule, it is like checking of prepositions. Second rule, preposition. Come on, in preposition all are not been used for editing. ఈ ఎడిటింగ్స్ ఇది చేసేటప్పుడు prepositions లో అన్ని యూజ్ చేయాలి. Generally what is tested in preposition is, in the exam it is TO2. Okay, it is TO2. So what we have to do is, come on, see, yesterday we have seen this, yes or no? Editing, we are going to check preposition. Okay, we are going to check conjunction, we are going to check verb, tense, yes Nana, we are going to check article. So in this one we have completed conjunction. Now we are doing the rule number 2, second rule, that is preposition. See, there are many in preposition, like in, okay, on, before, after, under, above, below, all these comes under preposition, but generally we will be getting an error after 2. So how to identify the error which we get after 2? Let's see, Nana. See, when whenever we get the word to, okay, ఎప్పుడైనా కానీ మనకు to అన్న వర్డ్ వస్తే we should use only. okay, to అన్న వర్డ్ వస్తే మనం అప్పుడు ఎలాంటి verb యూస్ చేయాలంటే we should only use V1 form. okay, V1 form ఒకసారి స్ట్రక్చర్ చూసుకోండినా. V1 form, see the structure here, 2 plus V1 form. Understood? If you just underline this makes you to remember very well. okay, now see once again nana, whenever ఎప్పుడైనా కానీ మనకి వర్డ్ టు అన్న పదం వస్తే దాని తర్వాత వచ్చే వర్బ్ ఏముండాలి? V1 ఫామ్ లో ఉండాలి. ఓకే, జస్ట్ సీ హియర్ వన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. she is going to sleep. ఓకే, ఆమె ఏం చేస్తుంది? అక్కడ పడుకుంటుంది, పడుకోవడానికి వెళ్తుంది. Now let us see the word to. See this word we have got, then immediately the verb what we have taken here, it is V1 form. okay, to తర్వాత మనం తీసుకున్న verb ఏదైతే ఉందో అది V1 form లో ఉంది. కాకపోతే in the exam instead of giving V1 form, if they have given something like slept, okay, this is correct sentence nana. she is going to sleep, ఇది అనుకున్న sentence correct. ఎందుకంటే we have followed aptly the structure 2 plus V1 form. 2 V1 form we have used. This is 100% correct. But in the exam what they do is, instead of giving V1 form, there is a chance of giving V2 form or V3 form. Like see, V4, V5. she is going to sleeping. ing form we are using there, that is V4 form. she is going to sleep, V5 form. So if you remember just the simple logic, then easily we can identify the error. That is, after 2 we should use V1 form, but instead if they give some V3, V2, V4, V5 forms, it is wrong. So this is our rule number 2, checking of prepositions. Now see, we have checked for prepositions, we have checked for conjunctions. Yes Nana, these 2 things we have completed. Yes.